Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a 7x24 hybrid enclosed trailer. At the front we do have an electric jack with these safety chains and breakaway box. On the driver's side you do have a plug for your electric. This trailer is our indigo blue with silver ATP trim along the bottom and tip of your enclosed. There are two RV style doors with windows with an RV lock and bar lock, one on the passenger side and one on the rear. The enclosed portion of this trailer does have your 55 amp starter package as well as your plug-in cords. There are two LED strip lights as well as a roof vent. There are plug-ins on the walls. You have your rear RV style door as well as the light switches. Coming outside the trailer, we do have the utility portion that has a small lifted mesh siding. There are spotlights on the back portion of your enclosed as well as the top of the passenger side door. This trailer has teardrop, stone guard fenders. This trailer does have two 5,200-pound axles on 15-inch wheels and tires. This hybrid does have an open concept utility with a roof. There is a bifold loading gate with a spring assist. Your bifold gate is held up with the spring latch system. This trailer does have LED brake lights. We have our gate, utility, enclosed. Once again, this is a 7x24 hybrid enclosed trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call or order it on our website.